Now, let's make all of this real. Let's pressure test your plan with a controlled simulation. This is where you move from theory into a vivid mental rehearsal. Scenario: ransomware and email takeover simulation. Here's the alert. It's Monday morning. You arrive at work, coffee in hand, ready to start the week. You try to open a critical shared drive and nothing works. Every file now has a strange, locked extension at the end. A ransom note is plastered on every screen you touch. Before you can even process that, your phone rings. It's your biggest client. They're angry and confused, asking why you're sending them urgent payment requests to a new bank account from your email address. Emails you never sent. In an instant, you're facing a dual crisis: ransomware encrypting your files and a compromised email account being used to defraud your clients. Now, let's run the exercise. We'll compare two versions, without CHI and with CHI. Part A, without CHI. Just brainstorm for a moment. How would you react? Your heart is racing. Your files are locked. Your client is furious. Who would you call first? What's the very first physical action you would take? Would you turn off the computer? Would you call the client back? Would you try to read the ransom note? Feel that stress for a moment. Feel the competing priorities pulling you in every direction. This is the reality of a panic-driven reaction: freezing, guessing, hoping you don't make the wrong move. Pause. Part B, with CHI. Now simulate using your guide. In this version, you have the Cyber Health Index platform ready. You take a breath, open the CHI platform, and immediately navigate to the incident response section, a place you've visited before, so it feels familiar, not foreign. You see a list of scenarios. You select the ransomware infection checklist, exactly what you're facing. Instantly, the checklist appears, guiding you step by step. Step 1. Isolate affected devices. Disconnect from the network. Right now. Step 2. Document the ransom note details. Take a photo. Note the demands and the contact method. Step 3. Notify your incident response lead and IT support. Use a known, safe communication channel. Step 4. Contact your cyber insurance provider. They have a team for this. The checklist even provides templated logs, fields to fill in as you go, and prompts you for key information you might forget in the moment. The comparison. The difference is stark. On one side, you have panic-driven reaction, the frantic, paralyzing question of, what do I do next? On the other, you have guided, procedural action, a calm, clear path forward. CHI doesn't make the incident go away. The ransomware is still there, the client is still upset. But it eliminates the paralysis. It saves you precious minutes, minutes that matter enormously. It prevents costly missteps, like shutting down a computer and destroying evidence or engaging with the attacker directly. It replaces chaos with clarity. Narrator. You have now equipped yourself with something invaluable, a plan for the worst. You understand that response is about swift containment, meticulous documentation, and clear, honest communication. Most importantly, you know that speed and a calm head will always serve you better than a delayed quest for perfection. You have now moved your security posture all the way through the cycle, from prevention to detection, and now to resilient response. You are prepared. In Module 6, Recovery, Compliance, and Trust, we will look past the immediate crisis to the vital phase of getting back to business. We'll talk about restoring operations, rebuilding customer confidence, and even leveraging your security practices as a competitive advantage. But first, make your plan real. This isn't just theory anymore. Use CHI to get your incident readiness score, draft your who-to-call list, and save it somewhere you can find it in a crisis. On your phone, print it out, in the cloud. Run this scenario exercise in your mind until it feels familiar. Remember, when you prepare for the storm, you find you are no longer afraid of the rain. See you in Module 6.